अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर। I'm so sorry वो कोई इंटरनेट कनेक्शन का इशू आ गया था।
No issues, no issues, not at all.
Okay, so let me just begin. Those who will join, they will just join like side by side. Okay, हमारा रिकॉर्ड हो रही है ना?
जी
Okay,
जी
fine. That's okay. First, we will like to start with the introduction of Mr. Abu Bakr. Okay, Mr. Abu Bakr has 20 years teaching experience of A levels. He has 8 years teaching experience of University of London LSC external program. He has been teaching for 5 years Hamdard University and Barrier University as well. And in fact, he had taught at almost all of the main college or school at Twin Cities, Islamabad and Pinji, LGS, Frobbles, Supernova, Roots, Beacon House, everywhere, almost everywhere. Okay. Beside all that teaching, he also runs Future Matter Consulting Private Limited. It's a career counseling firm, and most of you who are those who are doing A levels must have heard about StudyResource.com.pk. He's also the owner and founder of that website as well, who provides uh, study notes and all that to students, and he's also a co-founder of printing solutions, printingwallet.com, and doing a great job indeed. So one of the thing I like about you, it's not just buttering or something, like I have to mention this thing. All of the business teachers I have ever seen, they only teach business. They never ever have done business. So that's a good thing that you also do business, because you can only tell those things to your students when you have faced them yourself. So what do you want to say about this thing?
Um, Not much, Abbas. First of all, thank you so much for like such a kind introduction.
No
Uh,
problem.
I think I'm a strong believer of one important thing which I want my students also to be, and that is that one should always try to recognize one's potential, and should always try to utilize it to the maximum extent. Because I think we are not born like just to spend like 50, 60 years and then die. Uh, like if we are given this beautiful life by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then of course the purpose of this life is not merely like just like waking up in the morning and then like doing the normal task and then die. I mean, you should contribute something towards society. Whatever projects I'm running at the moment and I'm planning to run in the future, they all are like they all were planned to contribute towards people. So I believe if I can contribute something towards like students, towards society, then I should do that. I mean, if Allah has given me that potential, so I should always try to utilize it. So that's the only drive behind all these things, and I always try to do the best things. I mean, let's see what happens in future as well.
May God help you in every of your project, whatever you undertake. Okay, so after having a glance at your teaching profile, it seems you're not among those teachers who teach for 4 reasons. One, they couldn't do anything. The other 3 reasons are June, July, and August.
Which
So,
are no more there.
yeah, yeah,
Yes, because we are
and
working in June and we are also supposed to work
July
in
and August.
July and
So
August.
most of teacher might be shifting towards doing other things as well, but never mind, that's their own headache. So like, um, is teaching really your passion? Like you have been teaching for
Yes,
past
yes.
20 years.
Teaching has always been my passion, and I am like some of those teachers who came to teaching uh, with will, not by like just by that they didn't have any choice at that time, and they started teaching incidentally or something like that. Yes, in the beginning I started teaching not incidentally, but I probably started teaching because I really wanted to earn some money at some point of time in my life. But once I realized that I can teach well, and my students were able to score good grade, and like I was able to guide them thoroughly, not only in their exams but also in their practical lives. Then I decided to become a teacher, and to become a full-time and professional teacher. And I'm teaching not just for June, July, and August, or like because I can't do anything. I'm a strong believer. If you cannot justify a role you're playing in life, you should quit instead of like wasting your energy, and instead of wasting other people's time, and like instead of just being there and not making much difference. So I always believe that people should like try to utilize their best potential whenever they are in a certain role, and they should do only things like which they can do properly. Otherwise, they shouldn't do it. So whenever I will feel that I can't teach anymore, I will quit teaching. But I'm teaching because I know that I can make a difference, and not just I am able to, or I was able to produce good grades for the students, but honestly, like I was able to guide my students throughout their life as well. And I think I'm some of those proud teachers, like who whenever meet their students, then students always meet with them like with energy and with passion and with respect and love, because like I believe that I have contributed something towards their life. So that's the reason like I'm in teaching profession, and inshallah I will remain a teacher forever. I mean,
Doubt, indeed, you're doing a great job. It's like it's obviously a noble profession as well, no doubt about that. Okay, so today we have summoned you here because if you can just lower down your camera so that we can see you properly.
yeah.
Yeah, that's better. That's okay. We call you here to put a light on the role of teachers in making of future leaders. So,
Mhm.
what do you have a concept in mind? What do you think? What idea you want to share with us? What roles teachers should play in the making of future leaders?
Exactly. I always believe that a leader is not the one like who has certain followers, but a leader is always the one who can promote and create leaders. I mean, that should have been a proper definition of leadership. That leaders are not those people like who have few people to follow them, but leaders are those people who can bring out the best from the students and or whatever their followers are, and they can like make them leader as well. So I believe that teachers have a great role to play. I mean, honestly speaking, honestly speaking, I always believe that nations grow and they do well not because of just education but also because of training. And the reason behind Pakistan is not doing well in many fields, one of the big reason I always feel is the lack of training, and
Yeah,
that training is missing everywhere. I mean, unfortunately, I'm sorry to say, not in every house, but in most of the houses, like training is not there.
yeah.
Parents don't have time to train their kids, and then even like teachers don't have time to train their students in their classroom.
Indeed, sir. So they are busy in just completing their syllabuses. They are,
Syllabuses,
yeah,
exactly,
they are
exactly.
they just want to end up by their CIEs or by their final exams. They have to come up to that benchmark to complete all of the syllabus and just
Acha, I
that's it.
don't know if some of my students are listening to me at this time or not, but like
So
they
this session is being recorded, so we will upload it on YouTube channel, so you can share
okay.
it so that your children can also see.
Okay, okay. Otherwise, I wanted to say that like if my students are listening, then they can witness this that like in my classes, I spent almost like 10-15% of my total teaching time in guiding and helping students in various issues. Like I want them to be like very, very clear about their goals, about their passion in life, which most of the students are not. I want them to like think about what careers and professions they want to be in, because like this is one of my speciality when I like talk on various issues. Then this is my favorite issue that I always try to guide students that they should find a profession, uh, not just by looking at their parents desires or not by
Yeah,
the society, because our society, unfortunately, we are into donkey race, and like we are
doctors,
following that.
engineers, and
Exactly, just few
yeah,
professions, and we are crazy about them. I mean, the parents feel that if the child was not able to become a doctor or engineer, they have wasted their life. But
yeah,
that's not the case. I mean, and you can see in the current pandemic situation, I mean, many professions they won't exist after
yeah.
some time. The
Yes, sir,
honestly
indeed.
speaking. So this is a big like challenge, and we all should understand that unless and until we are not going to plan our future according to
Mm.
the future requirements, unless and until we are not going to choose upon our profession according to the future requirements, then our place in the society or in a certain profession will no more be there.
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
like I always believe that teachers should play a very important role in educating students that what is career, what is profession, and how should students they choose a certain career or profession. And students must also know that uh, like a career profession is something they have to be in life for 30 plus years.
Yeah.
So अगर आपने जिंदगी में 30 साल या उससे ज़्यादा एक काम करना है, तो for God's sake, just think about your interests, just think about like your personal traits, just think about uh, like what are your likes and dislikes, just think about what you're good at, just think about what skills you have, and etc. And then decide like what you want to do in life. So that's very important, and I think teachers should play a role here because
Okay.
teachers are definitely going to, I mean, they are always a big inspiration for, like most of the time, they're a big inspiration for their students, and students always look up to teachers like to find guidance and direction from them. So,
Sir, unfortunately, sir, we have these sort of even teachers in our society uh, who cannot even inspire their their children, their students. So how can they motivate them to do different, to do think out of the box, to pursue something different, to make a difference? In fact,
Acha, Abbas Kazmi, there's a reason behind it why teachers are not able to inspire because they themselves were not inspired.
yeah,
I
that
always
is,
believe that it's always a chain like coming
yeah,
downward. है ना?
yeah,
So,
yeah,
I mean, if you just do not have a depth in your personality, how you can inspire people? It's very difficult.
exactly.
Uh,
Mm,
I mean, first of all, teachers have to be a role model. They
mm,
have to be someone students can look up to. They have to be someone students can be proud of. That कि मैं जी sir. I mean, then of course there are so many teachers like that, जिनके बारे में students बात करते हैं जी
yeah,
मैं
they are. Yeah.
I have studied this subject from this teacher and I really enjoyed that subject and I was able to develop my interest in that particular subject. I also have like this kind of teachers in my life.
Mm,
जिन्होंने मुझे पढ़ाया भी अभी भी कुछ लोग हैं जिनसे मैं like I seek for mentoring from them. So
mm,
टीचर्स मेरा ख्याल है कि अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारे यहाँ सोसाइटी में I'm not saying always because I'm also a teacher, but more than 50% cases में they are not teachers because they wanted to be a teacher.
mm,
They are teachers because they had no option left. Or most of the time we don't like acknowledge teaching as a profession. So that's a long discussion, and I
yeah.
think currently we are not like in a position to do it. But I think the reason behind is that teachers themselves like they have to be capable and skilled enough that they can inspire students. Of course, they should be. और जैसे मैंने आपसे पहले कहा, अगर आप एक काम नहीं कर सकते तो छोड़ दें, कोई और काम कर लें.
Yeah,
Like there are
exactly.
so many things you can do in life. No?
Mm,
So like if you're in a certain role, you must see if I'm fit in this role or not. अगर आप fit in नहीं है तो फिर छोड़ दें, कुछ और कर लें. Life is
yeah.
not just about like making money out of something. Life is to
Mm,
make a difference. अल्लाह ने आपको जिंदगी
exactly.
इसलिए दी है कि आप एक डिफरेंस क्रिएट करें. तो अगर आप वो नहीं
Exactly.
कर रहे किसी भी फील्ड के अंदर तो फिर आप चले जाएं, फिर आप कुछ और कर लें. This is what I
Okay.
believe.
Okay, so you've been teaching also, and you've been running business side by side. So you were a boss as well. What's the difference between being a boss and being a leader? Like, how you can differentiate a boss and leader?
That's a very good question because like when you guys are going to go into organizations, inshallah, after 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, whatever the time span will be, then of course like you'll be facing teachers, sorry, bosses and leaders both, है ना?
Yeah.
तो देखें किसी ने एक बहुत अच्छी कोटेशन किसी ने एक बहुत अच्छी कोटेशन कहीं पे लिखी हुई थी, एंड आई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू रेफर टू दैट व्हेन इन माय क्लासेस. वो कोटेशन ये है कि मैनेजर्स आर द वन who do the things right, and
Yeah.
leaders are the one who do the right things. I
Mm,
repeat, managers are the one who do the things right, and leaders are the one who do the right things. तो
do
managers
the
and
right thing.
bosses जो होते हैं, they are task oriented. लाइक वो बेसिकली उनका उनका मेन गोल ये होता है कि उन्होंने एक ऑब्जेक्टिव अचीव करना है, लेकिन जो लीडर्स हैं वो एक विजन को फॉलो कर रहे होते हैं. एंड लीडर्स आर सपोज टू बी गुड गाइड, लीडर्स आर सपोज टू बी लाइक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो ये है कि लीडर्स दे डोंट फोर्स एनीथिंग, दे ट्राई टू चेंज बिहेवियर. ठीक है.
Yeah.
लाइक जो बॉसेस होते हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर वो पॉलिसीज इंप्लीमेंट करते हैं, लीडर्स बिहेवियर चेंज करते हैं जिससे इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ पॉलिसी ईजी हो जाती है. तो लाइक लीडर्स और बॉसेस में यही डिफरेंस है कि बॉसेस जो है वो अपने टास्क को फोकस करके उसको अचीव करने की कोशिश करते हैं. लीडर्स ऑन द अदर साइड दे हैव पीपल इन माइंड and they change their behavior and they change their personalities, they inspire them, and this is how they achieve organization objective. By the end of the day दोनों ने काम एक ही करना है और वो ये कि goals achieve
Yeah.
करना. ठीक है.
Exactly.
अच्छा अब्बास, थोड़ा सा मैं चाहूँगा कि अगर ये जो अभी एक आपका प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन था जिसमें आपने लाइक कहा कि टीचर्स जो हैं वो स्टूडेंट्स को कैसे इंस्पायर करते हैं, तो मैं उस कॉन्टेक्स्ट के अंदर जस्ट वांट कि हम थोड़ा सा वहाँ पे डिस्कशन को एक्सपैंड करें. और आई जस्ट वांटेड टू लाइक ऐड समथिंग टू दैट और ये कि अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारी सोसाइटी जो है वो भी टीचर्स को वो रिस्पेक्ट नहीं देती जो दूसरी सोसाइटीज टीचर्स को देती हैं.
That is true.
हमारे पास नेगेटिव स्टोरीज बहुत सारी होंगी लेकिन देयर आर मिलियंस ऑफ पॉजिटिव स्टोरीज एज वेल. आई मीन ये मैं कोई अपनी प्रेज के अंदर कोई एग्जैजरेटेड स्टोरी नहीं सुना रहा, बट आज से कोई 2 साल पहले आई वाज इन लाहौर विद माय फैमिली विंटर ब्रेक के अंदर, एंड वी वेंट टू कैरीफोर. लाहौर के अंदर जो एक वो कैरीफोर है वहाँ पे, तो हम ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे थे और उसके बाद लाइक वी वेंट टू द फर्स्ट फ्लोर. वी वर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड, वो मेरी मिसेस को कुछ चाहिए था, कोई किचन इक्विपमेंट और समथिंग लाइक दैट, तो हम वो ढूंढ रहे थे. तो व्हेन वी वेंट ऑन टू लाइक फर्स्ट फ्लोर, तो अचानक सामने से एक यंग लड़का, उसने मतलब सूट शूट पहना हुआ, टाई शी लगाई हुई, तो वो चलता हुआ आ रहा था. उसने मुझे देखा, रुक गया और 2-3 मिनट तक देखता रहा. मैं खैर मैंने उसको शुरू में नोटिस नहीं किया, मैंने उसको नोटिस काफ़ी देर के बाद किया, मैंने उसको इग्नोर कर दिया. तो फिर वो मेरे पास आया, मुझे कहता है कि आर यू सर अबू बकर फ्रॉम सिटी स्कूल, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन टीचिंग फॉर सिटी स्कूल फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम. मैंने कहा यस आई एम अबू बकर अहमद. सो वो फौरन मेरे गले लग गया और देन ही कॉल्ड एवरीवन ऑन द फ्लोर. वो ही वाज द मैनेजर एट दैट स्टोर, तो उसने सबको बुला लिया एंड उसने मेरा जो इंट्रोडक्शन करवाना शुरू किया उन बाकी जो उसके कोलीग्स थे और जो उसके सबऑर्डिनेट्स थे. तो लाइक दैट वाज हर्ट, आई मीन हार्ट वार्मिंग. सो कहने का मकसद ये है कि आई मीन आई थिंक सोसाइटी जो बेस्ट टीचर्स को दे सकती है वो रिस्पेक्ट है. और वंस दे रिस्पेक्टेड तो आई कैन टेल यू कि टीचर्स की जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है टुवर्ड्स सोसाइटी एंड टुवर्ड्स स्टूडेंट्स, दैट इज नेवर बीन फॉर एनी फाइनेंशियल रिवॉर्ड. और ना टीचर का कोई फाइनेंशियल रिवॉर्ड हो सकता है, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग. आई मीन जितनी ऑनेस्टी के साथ और जितना स्टूडेंट्स के साथ क्या कहना चाहिए, उनके जो कंसर्न्स होते हैं उनको लेके एक टीचर उनको पढ़ा रहा होता है, तो उसका कोई फाइनेंशियल रिवॉर्ड हो ही नहीं सकता. और जितने आई मीन स्ट्रेस हम लोग स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ले रहे होते हैं, स्टूडेंट्स को स्ट्रेस नहीं होता, वो रिलैक्स होते हैं, बल्कि वो उल्टा हमें तसल्लियां दे रहे होते हैं, सर आप क्यों टेंशन ले रहे हैं. राइट. तो मेरा ख्याल है कि चीज़ें अगर थोड़ी सी इस एंड से बेहतर हों तो वहाँ से भी बहुत बेहतर हो जाएंगी.
Inshallah. Okay, so my next, coming back to our leadership questions particularly, my next question is what is one particular skill, leadership skill you think must be there in every person who calls himself a leader, who portrays to be a leader?
So, one particular skill, I would say vision.
Vision. Okay.
Vision. We must have a vision, which we do not have. We don't have a vision as a nation. We don't even have vision as an individual or as a professional. Like vision is your ability to foresee future. कि हम present sighted now बल्कि हम future sighted हो, right?
Yeah.
I mean, because honestly speaking, देखें, the time has gone when there was a time when people used to say कि जी अभी जो हो रहा है उसमें best कर लें तो you will be successful. But you can see that now the time has gone. I mean, you can't be present focused at the moment. World is changing so rapidly that I mean, unless and until you're not future focused, unless and until you're not like exploring future and you're not preparing yourself to meet future requirements, you cannot be successful. So I think vision
Well,
is something like which has to be there.
very well, you mentioned this quality. I here want to mention the same quality with an example. I remember I was listening to a documentary and it was on Jeff Bezos, the owner of Amazon. He started
Hmm.
Amazon at 1998, about 22 and 26 years ago. So he envisioned this thing that it can be this big that he will be world's first trillionaire by 2026. He envisioned this thing, and he grew it. Amazon grew this well that its share increased 41% in this Corona situation only.
Hmm.
So, like, vision is something you must have uh, to to go ahead of others.
Hmm. Hmm. True.
Yeah.
ऐसे ही है. देखिए, I mean, from every
Mm.
aspect of life, it's not just the profession or it's not just the career, but vision is like something which helps you in every aspect of life.
Yeah.
Because unless and until you're not prepared for the future, how can you be like good at present? There's a
Yeah.
simple question
Exactly.
about it. So
Mm.
that's why, like, I think vision should be there, and I think that is something which everybody has to develop by their own. I mean, it's very difficult to realize people that they
Copy
have
it.
to be future focused. Exactly, they
Mm.
can't copy each other.
Mm.
So we all should have a vision.
So, element of sacrifice is also important for the leaders to understand. Like, sacrifice are there, they have to make sacrifices big or small so that they can emerge as a leader. What do you think, or what concept or opinion you have about this thing?
Yeah,
Is
of
it
course.
necessary?
Hmm. Of course, like देखिए, leaders वो लोग होते हैं जो एक broader aim के लिए काम कर रहे होते हैं. And they know
Hmm.
कि वो जो broader aim है वो हो सकता है उनको currently benefit ना करे, but
Yeah.
they know the future impact of that broader aim. And of course, in the meanwhile, they have to sacrifice so many different things. That's true.
Mhm.
And they should have that. I think everybody, being a human, we should have like, uh, I mean, being able to sacrifice is a quality which I think every human should have. I mean, you
Mhm.
can't be called a human without that. And of course, leaders have this quality at their, I mean, what should we say, to the full, I mean, to the highest extent, because leaders sacrifice for so many things. Of
Yeah.
course.
Okay. Also, leaders need to be fearless. Like, I have seen they try to become leader, they try to become something, but inside their fear, they have fear of speaking in front of people. It can
Hmm.
be of many reasons, because of lack of confidence and others and other
Hmm.
things. But do you have to be fearless, like, in each and every aspect, so that you can emerge as a leader?
अच्छा, first of all, understand करते हैं कि fear होता क्या है. Like, देखिए, fear is basically your emotion which stops you to do something which is not normal at present. Like
Hmm.
प्रेजेंटली जो चीज़ नॉर्मल नहीं है, अगर हम वो करने जा रहे हों तो जो फियर, जो चीज़ हमें, जो इमोशंस हमें उस काम को करने से रोकते हैं और जो हमें डराते हैं कि यार इसको करने के कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस क्या होंगे, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ फियर. अच्छा,
Yeah.
अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी लिव इन अ सोसाइटी जहाँ पे फियर इज डेवलप्ड इनसाइड अस. आई मीन, जब हम
Yes.
छोटे होते हैं तो हमें बहू से डराया जाता है.
Hmm. Exactly.
आई होप सब लोगों को डराया जाता होगा. लाइक अवर मदर्स जनरली डू इट, राइट? सो जाओ
Yeah.
वरना बहू आ जाएगा. सो व्हाट इज दैट
Hmm.
बहू? बहू जो है वो एक उस टाइम पे एक इमेजिनरी कैरेक्टर होता है, और हम उसके बारे में, लाइक जब हम छोटे होते हैं तो शायद हम सोचते भी हैं कि यार ये बहू क्या होता है, और हमें ये
Hmm.
लगता है कि ये कुछ चीज़ है जो जिससे डरना चाहिए. जब हम
Hmm.
बड़े होते हैं तो फिर हमें फैमिली से डराया जाता है, राइट? ये नहीं करो वरना तुम्हारी मतलब रिलेटिव्स क्या
Yeah.
कहेंगे, और अगर तुम्हारे ग्रेड्स ना आए तो तुम्हारे रिलेटिव्स क्या कहेंगे, और मोहल्ले वालों से डराया जाता है, वो देखो तुम्हारी फलां पड़ोसी के बच्चे ने इतने स्कोर कर लिया, अब अगर तुम्हारा स्कोर नहीं आएगा तो क्या होगा, वो अपने प्रोफेशन में
सर,
इतना
ये बहुत
है.
कल भी हमारे अंडर डिस्कशन था ये टॉपिक सेशन में, कि लोग क्या कहेंगे इस बहुत बड़ा फिगर इटसेल्फ. लोग क्या
एग्जैक्टली,
कहेंगे.
एग्जैक्टली,
हम्म.
एग्जैक्टली. लोग, आई मीन, हमने तो बहुत हजारों किस्म के फियर्स पाले हुए हैं ना. देखें, अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमें तो अल्लाह से भी डराया जाता है. लाइक
हम्म.
जब से हम आई थिंक पैदा हुए हैं और हमें थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आनी शुरू हुई हैं चीज़ें, तो किसी ने हमें ये नहीं बताया कि अल्लाह अल्लाह हमसे मोहब्बत कितनी करते हैं।
कितनी करते हैं,
किसी ने
बिल्कुल
हमें ये
एग्जैक्ट।
नहीं बताया कि अल्लाह कितने रहीम है। किसी ने हमें ये नहीं बताया कि अल्लाह जो है वो 70 माओ से ज़्यादा प्यार करते हैं। लेकिन हमें ये ज़रूर
बिल्कुल।
बताया गया कि अगर ये करोगे तो जहन्नुम में चले जाओगे, ये
हाँ,
करोगे तो इसका इतना गुनाह मिलेगा।
इतने
तो
साल के लिए यार।
अनफॉर्चुनेट एग्जैक्टली वो सब चीज़ें अपनी जगह पे हैं। आई मीन मैं ये नहीं कह रहा, आई एम नो वन टू से कि ये चीज़ें नहीं होंगी।
जी।
आई एम नॉट एन अथॉरिटी ऑन रिलीजन, सो आई
हम्म।
कांट से एनीथिंग अबाउट इट। बट मैं
हम्म।
सिर्फ ये कह रहा हूँ कि बजाय इसके कि हमें ये बताया जाता कि अल्लाह से मोहब्बत कितनी ज़रूरी है, हमें अल्लाह से डरना सिखाया गया। तो डर इज़ समथिंग जो हमारे अंदर हमेशा से होता है। तो आई बिलीव कि इस डर को निकालने का बेस्ट तरीका ये है कि हमें अपने ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए और हमें एज एन इंडिविजुअल अपने आप को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना चाहिए। और मेरा ख्याल है कि यहाँ पे मैं आपको बहुत ऑनेस्टली बताऊं कि आपकी सोसाइटी आपको इतना सपोर्ट नहीं करेगी।
हम्म।
आपके घर वाले भी शायद आपको इतना सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे। अनफॉर्चुनेटली आपके टीचर्स भी इतने सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे।
हम्म।
तो यहाँ पे यू हैव टू डेवलप योर ओन कॉन्फिडेंस फॉर दैट। तो यस, दैट इज़ वन ऑफ अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग लीडरशिप स्किल। देखें अब्बास, एक चीज़ जो बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है वो ये है, एक चीज़ जो हमारी यूथ को अंडरस्टैंड करनी चाहिए और ये बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, वो ये कि हमें ज़िंदगी में हम बहुत सारी चीज़ों पे डिपेंडेंट होते हैं। हमें लगता है कि हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ों में सपोर्ट मिलेगी और हमारी एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है कहीं पे फ्रॉम इनसाइड। समटाइम हम उसको बता रहे होते हैं, समटाइम उसको हम बताते नहीं हैं, लेकिन हमारे दिल के अंदर ये होता है कि शायद हमें सपोर्ट मिलेगी और वो सपोर्ट हमें आगे बढ़ने में हेल्प करेगी। बट ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग मैं अगर अपने कैरियर को देखूं तो इट्स बीन ऑलमोस्ट 25 इयर्स वर्किंग लाइफ। और इस 20-25 इयर्स के अंदर मैंने जो सीखा है वो ये कि जहाँ से आप सबसे ज़्यादा सपोर्ट एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं वहीं से आपको सबसे कम सपोर्ट मिलती है।
या ट्रू।
ठीक है, तो यू हैव टू डेवलप योर ओन सेल्फ। जब तक हम अपनी पर्सनालिटी डेवलप नहीं करेंगे, जब तक आप अपने आप को ग्रो नहीं करेंगे, जब तक आप खुद अपनी वीकनेसेस को ओवरकम नहीं करेंगे, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू ग्रो इन लाइफ। तो हमें ये बात अंडरस्टैंड करनी चाहिए कि अगर हम लाइफ में ग्रो करना चाह रहे हैं, अगर हम कुछ अचीव करना चाह रहे हैं, तो एवरीथिंग हैज़ अ प्राइस टू पे। हमें इसके प्राइस पे करने हैं। और वो जो प्राइस है वो डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स के अंदर होगी। समटाइम यू हैव टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन योर हैबिट्स। अभी आप सेक्रीफाइस करने की बात कर रहे थे, तो आई
जी।
थिंक सबसे ज़्यादा सेक्रीफाइस इंसान को अपने साथ करना पड़ता
हम्म।
है इफ़ यू वांट टू बी
To
सक्सेसफुल
change
इन
your
लाइफ।
routine, change your habits to
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली। देखें ड्रीम्स देखना बहुत अच्छी बात है। आई
हम्म।
ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट पीपल लाइक हु आर डे ड्रीमर्स। मैंने जब मैं बहुत छोटा था, मेरा ख्याल है को हार्डली 15-16 ईयर्स आई थिंक, तो उस टाइम पे मैंने एक बुक पढ़ी थी जिसमें एक बंदे ने लिखा कि इफ यू वांट टू बी सक्सेसफुल इन लाइफ यू शुड डे ड्रीम फॉर 30 मिनट्स एवरी डे। आपको दिन में 30 मिनट डे ड्रीम करना चाहिए। तो मुझे वो बात बड़ी अजीब सी लगी बिकॉज मुझे लगा कि शायद ये बात बड़ी इम्प्रैक्टिकल है, क्योंकि डे ड्रीमिंग को जनरली हमारी सोसाइटी के अंदर एक बड़ा नेगेटिव उसके बारे में परसेप्शन डेवलप हुई हुई है ना। जनरली सोसाइटी ये समझती है कि जो लोग डे ड्रीम करते हैं वो इतने प्रैक्टिकल नहीं होते और वो सिर्फ ख्वाबों की दुनिया में रहते हैं और वो रियलिटीज़ को अंडरस्टैंड नहीं कर पा रहे होते। बट देन आई फील कि नहीं, वो भी बहुत ज़रूरी है। बिकॉज जब आप डे ड्रीम करते हैं तो आपका विजन डेवलप होता है। जब आप डे ड्रीम करते हैं तो आपके अंदर एक इंस्पिरेशन आती है, एनर्जी आती है। आप अपने गोल सेट करते हैं, आपके लाइफ में आगे बढ़ने के लिए आपको एक एनर्जी मिलती है। तो यस, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। बट देन ये भी देखें कि हमने उसके लिए करना क्या है। व्हाट डू वी हैव टू सेक्रीफाइस। हमें कौन सी अपनी रूटीन चेंज करनी है, कौन सी हैबिट छोड़नी है, कौन सी हमारी ऐसी बुरी आदत है जो हमने ख़त्म करनी है, और कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ें जो हमें अडेप्ट करनी है। तो दैट इज़ वेरी
exactly.
इंपॉर्टेंट। एग्जैक्टली। और सेक्रीफाइस सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट वही है जो हम अपने आप से स्टार्ट करते हैं।
That's true. Okay, so everybody has a role model, a leader which they follow. Who is your inspiration? Who's your sorry? Who's your uh, role model which you want to follow or which you usually follow, and why do you follow them or him?
अच्छा
Anyone?
अब्बास, आई हैव मैनी रोल मॉडल्स टू फॉलो। और ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग आई ऑलवेज फाइंड आउट लाइक द बेस्ट पर्सन इन डिफरेंट लाइक एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ लाइफ। सो मेरा कोई एक रोल मॉडल नहीं है, बहुत सारे रोल मॉडल्स हैं।
Uh,
लाइक when I used to be a kid, तो my father was my role model and he's still my role model, like in many different things. मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ों में इनको follow करता हूँ. Like some of my teachers, like I was really inspired from them. एक सर रमज़ान हुआ करते थे मेरी लाइफ में, उन्होंने बड़ा important role play किया. Like he used to be a teacher in grade 9 and 10. He used to teach us like chemistry and physics, and he was a great personality. Apart from being a great teacher, he was a great personality. तो उनको मैंने बहुत follow किया अपनी लाइफ के अंदर. अच्छा, I try to get inspiration from everything. I mean, sometime सड़क पे जो एक रेडी वाले का बिहेवियर होता है, आप किसी रेडी वाले से इंटरेक्ट करते हैं और जिस तरह से वो आपसे डील करता है और समटाइम वो आपको एक बात कह देता है, एंड आई ऑलवेज
Yes.
गेट इंस्पायर्ड. लाइक आई मीन, देखें, इंस्पिरेशन ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप कोई बहुत वेल नोन, बहुत फिगर हेड होंगे उनसे आप
Develop,
इंस्पिरेशन
yeah.
लेंगे. एग्जैक्टली. देखिए, यू शुड बी इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग. आई मीन,
So
जो भी
I was inspired.
पॉजिटिव चीज़
Sorry
है.
to interrupt. Sorry to interrupt you. I was inspired by one of the rickshaw driver, and he was a very young guy, and he was saying that maths is other name of practice. He was a rickshaw driver, and he was very young, and he said this thing, and that thing was imprinted on my mind, and I was highly inspired by him as well.
एग्जैक्टली. अच्छा, अभी 2 दिन पहले की बात है. मुझे इनफैक्ट ऑफिस में अपने ऑफिस में एक पर्सन को हायर करना था. उसके लिए मैंने कुछ लोगों को कहा हुआ था कि इफ़ यू नो समबडी टू सेंड मी. तो किसी ने रेफर किया, लाइक, एंड दैट जेंटलमैन केम टू माय ऑफिस एंड लाइक ही डिड हिज BCom long time ago, and then he did his MBA in finance from Allama Iqbal Open University, right? He wasn't like he didn't do his qualification from a very good university, and then when he started talking, so I realized that he can't even speak clearly. उसके vocal cords के अंदर कोई by birth problem था जिसकी वजह से वो clearly बोल नहीं सकता था. उसकी बात बहुत clarity के साथ आपको समझ नहीं आती थी. You really had to concentrate. अच्छा, but when I started interacting with him, so I was like really inspired by him because first of all, he didn't make that weakness like an excuse for him. He had like energy and ambition to grow in life, and then currently he did not have a job. अब तो खैर मैंने उसको ऑफर कर दिया, but currently he did not have a job, and but he realized that it's very important for him to work. So he was working with Food Panda, food delivery service. So when I asked him that you are an MBA and you're working for Food Panda, so like, is it not something embarrassing for you? So he responded me, sir, the thing is that I'm not doing something wrong. I mean, he said very confidently that, sir, I'm not doing something wrong. Like, I'm doing something which is the best thing I can do currently. I mean, unless and until I get some other opportunity. He was constantly in search of jobs and everything, but like he did not like sit idle, and he did not like start wasting time, and he was very productive. And when he when I interacted with him more, so I found that he has been teaching online like for quite 4 or 5 years as well. And when I interviewed with him, so I found him like academically very strong. So मैंने उसको कहा कि if you are willing, so you can like work with me as a teaching assistant. So I can help you, and then you can help me as well. So the thing is that inspiration is something which should be, you should be getting it from every positive thing in life, है ना?
Okay.
Nature should inspire you. Even nature की जो creations हैं उससे आपको inspiration लेनी चाहिए. Sun should inspire you. Moon should inspire you. And people around. I mean, it depends. It depends. हमारे साथ problem ये हो गया हुआ है, Abbas and everyone, कि हम लोगों को लोगों की जो छोटी छोटी खूबियां वो नजर ही नहीं आती, राइट? हमें दुनिया में चलते फिरते फरिश्ते चाहिए, एंड इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड एंजल्स लाइक ऑन अर्थ, राइट? अगर हम लोगों की अगर हम अपने दिमाग से ये वाली चीज़ निकाल दें कि नोबडी इज़ परफेक्ट, और अगर हम ये चीज़ निकाल दें कि इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू फाइंड आउट समवन लाइक जो किसी भी चीज़ के अंदर बहुत कोई एक्स्ट्रॉर्डनरी होगा, तो you can be inspired from every single person around you. That's what I'm saying. I mean, even negative लोगों से भी आपको inspiration मिल सकती है, right? It depends upon how you look at them.
Yeah, that's very true, sir.
देखें, एक चीज़, सॉरी, मैं एक चीज़ यहाँ पे एक और चीज़ ऐड कर दूँ, बिकॉज
Yes,
मैं हमेशा चाहता हूँ कि वो मैसेज मैं ज़रूर पास ऑन करूँ. Don't try to be like someone who keeps on complaining about things.
Yeah.
ठीक है,
So
ये जो
I used to do this thing. I used to complain, yeah, this has been doing wrong. This has been doing. Then once it's like more than a year ago, I posted this thing that people throw rappers and these sort of thing on Eid when they go to different their graveyards.
Hmm.
I make a very big post and posted it on Facebook. And then one of my she's my aunt, and she mentioned this thing. Nothing will change unless you do it yourself. So
Hmm.
that was very inspiring. That from that day onwards, I started, instead of complaining, I take the charge and do it right. If I
Hmm.
cannot, I make sure I, with the help of others or with the help of everyone, to make it right. But if I cannot, I just have this thing here. It's our responsibility, not only putting it on government or others to.
Exactly, exactly. I mean, the thing is that we always expect that government should do everything. Government cannot do everything. We must be like very clear upon it. I mean, yes, government can do big things like they can make laws, they can ensure that they're being properly implemented and all that. But government can't change social behavior. Government can't change people's perceptions. Government can't change our culture. It's very hard. Government can't change like these kind of mindsets we have around us. So I think the change process should start like from our own. We should stop what should I say, blaming everything for everything, and we should stop expecting that. Without playing our own role, we can change things around ourselves, and we shouldn't be complaining because that is not going to take us to anything anywhere positively.
That
I
that is
haven't
also
seen
one of.
anybody successful like who has a complaining behavior. Believe you me.
Yeah. So that is also one of a great quality of leaders, that they complain less and they take the charge and do the things.
Exactly, exactly. Whenever you face a problem, instead of complaining, I mean, try to take a charge and make a difference instead of
Yeah, exactly.
complaining. And the positive thing is that if you're able to realize that something is going on negative, that's something very big quality, because most of
Hmm.
us cannot even identify that this is positive or this is negative. But
Yeah,
once you
that
identify
is
that,
true.
then take charge and try to do some practical steps and like try to make a difference if you can.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for giving us your time and sharing your views with us and
It's always a
making us.
pleasure. It's always a
Okay.
pleasure. And I would appreciate like your efforts as well, because you see, I mean, in fact, this is something which is going to be a big contribution towards many people. And
Yeah.
what should I say? मेरी दुआ है कि नेक्स्ट टाइम इस तरह के सेशंस के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा लोग हों, बिकॉज आई थिंक हम लोग जो अपनी लाइफ के अंदर बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम लोगों ने
Hmm.
सीखी हैं और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमने ज़िंदगी के अंदर एक्सपीरियंस की हैं, तो वो एक्सपीरियंस आप लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहिए,
Yes, sir.
बिकॉज
That is our only shortcut from you to learn, instead of getting into the field and getting all these things hit by us as well. And instead of trying and trying again, we can just learn directly from you.
एग्जैक्टली आई वुड अप्रिशिएट कि अगर हम नेक्स्ट टाइम को फोकस्ड किस्म के सेशंस रखें, एक सर्टेन टॉपिक को लेके उसके ऊपर हम लोग डिस्कशंस करें, तो यस,
Sure.
दैट कैन बी समथिंग रियली
Inshallah, sir.
प्रोडक्टिव.
Inshallah, sir. Thank you so much for joining us today. Hope to see you again, and thank you so
इंशाल्लाह,
much.
इंशाल्लाह, इंशाल्लाह.
Okay,
थैंक
sir.
यू.
Allah
अल्लाह
Hafiz.
हाफिज़.
Allah Hafiz.
अल्लाह हाफिज़.